I guess it's a bad idea bringing out these cards, but anyways, I'll just try something different. Let's go. Come on.
I want the 6.
Yeah, let's go. Let's count to 30. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
21, 22,
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, I'm going to ask you to give me some numbers. Can you find number 1 for me, please?
1.
Where is number 1? Look at all the numbers and give me number 1. Give me number 1. Okay, thank you. Okay, she's teaching her friends. She's teaching her friends. Okay.
2. I want 2. Come on, 2.
Okay, that's number 2.
Oh, Nana, where are 21?
Here's 21.
Wow, where are 22?
22, where is 22? Where are you? Oh, there it is. There is 22.
Well, 23.
Okay, let me see there. 23, where are you?
23, where are you?
Where are you, number 23? Oh, there it is. See, there it is. There it is. I found it. I found it. See, there it is. 23. Right there. There it is. 23. What number you want me to find? Is that number 30? Yes, it is. It's hot.
It's hot.
Yes, it is.
Well, 80, where are you?
There it is. Number 18.
90.
And listen, guys.
Where are you?
Don't stress yourself with homeschooling.
90.
All those boxes, what I got from
90,
Amazon,
where are you?
what her stuff came in,
Nana,
I recycle them.
Nana.
So, hey,
90,
don't
where
stress.
are you?
Be creative.
90, where are you?
Number 19. Oh, there is this number 19?
20, where are you?
Number 20, where are you? Oh, is this number 20?
21, where are you?
Where are you, number 21?
See, that's it.
Oh, there it is. I found it.
22, where are you?
22. Oh, I found it. Is this 22?
22, Jamie, where are you?
Oh, I found it. Is this 23?
24, where are you?
24. I found you. Is this 24?
24, 25, where are you?
There you are. Is this 25?
25,
Yes, it is.
14.
Okay, yes, this is number 14. Good job. You want to give me a high five? Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Good job.
28.
Yes, it is number 28.
It's a 21.
Where is 21? Yeah, that's 21. You're right. Okay, where is number 20? Do you see number 20? Regan. What
It's
number?
that 11. It's that 11.
Let me see. Is that number 11? Oh, yes, it is. Number 11.
12, where are you?
Number 12. Where are? Oh, there it is. There it is.
At 12. 13, where are you?
Number 13. There it is. Number 13.
14, where are you?
Number 14. Where are you? I don't see.
14, where
Do
are
you
you?
see number 14?
Where are 14?
14. Where are you? Oh, I found it. I found it. Number 14. So, I'm going to play this until she gets tired. And then we'll move on to our next lesson. Numbers are all around us. Nana saved the day. Listen, it can be a little tiring. I'm ready to stop right now, but it's all about her, so you have to go that extra.
Go.
Go, go, go. I'm gonna count from 1 to 30 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You say excuse me. You have to say excuse me first. Here it is. I found it. 18. Where is 19? 19. Oh, here it is. I found it. Number 20. Where are you? No. Is it under? Is it by your friend? Is it in the basket? I'm trying to encourage speech. Is it in the basket? Number 20, where? Oh, I found it.
21, where are you?
Oh, 21, where are you?
21.
Is it over there? Is it on your dino ladder? Is it on Nana's desk? No, it's not. Is it on the chair? No, it's not. And another thing, don't have no time frame, like, say for instance, speech therapy 8 to 9. Just go with the flow, because you have to go on their terms. It's all about them. So sometimes they give you cues and stuff. You have to just be sensitive to them and follow their cues. Okay? Number 29, where are you? Oh, there it is. Number 29. Yay, you found it. High five. High five. Good job. You found it, Reagan.
25.
Where 25? Where are you?
25.
Are you under the chair?
Where are you?
Where are you? Are you under Reagan's desk? Where are you, number 25?
25.
Where are you?
Come back here.
I see it. There it is.
No.
Yes, we found it. Number 20. No, that's 25.
25.
There it is.
The 25.
See, you found it. See, number 25.
Where are you?
There it is.
What? What's the 29? Papa.
29, where are you? I don't know. There it is.
29.
There it is. We found it. Number 29. We found it.
Come back here.
Okay, let's put all the numbers together.
No.
Hey, let's put the numbers together. It's time to do something else.
No.
See, we have to take a break. You want to take a break? You count backwards from 30. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Lisa and 0. High five. High five. Good job. Another one. Hey, good job. Good job. I'm going to give you a sticker. You were so good. Okay, these books that I have top student, they have stickers in them, so it's by Evan Moore. So I'm going to just, I tore the stickers from the pre, because I got 3 levels. I got the pre-K, I got the K, and grade 1. So I don't know, I tore out the sticker sheet from the pre-K, and I don't know why I did it, so I'm just going to borrow one from in the back here. Okay, Reagan, so A+, you are so smart. Come here, A+, I'm going to put it right on your forehead. Good job, good job. That's your sticker, you're so smart. So you want to put it on your hand or put it somewhere? Good job, that's for doing a good job, okay? All right, now we're going to put our numbers away. Come, we are finished with our numbers. So I want you here, we are finished. So come on, pin this. Come pin this on this, that means we are finished. Here, pin it here. Okay, so we are finished, so now we're going to take a break. You want to play with your friends? You can play with your friends and you can have a snack. You can have a snack if you want. Okay, we are finished. You can, it's break time now. You can take a break. You want to go outside? You want to go outside and take a break? You want to go on your laptop, on your tablet? Or you want to just look outside? What do you want to do? Okay, let me get it. You want snack? Hold on, let me get it. Move from there. Oh, take the snack.